Sometimes you have to encourage yourself. Sometimes you have to speak victory during the test, and no matter how you feel, speak the words and you will be healed. Speak over yourself, encourage yourself in the Lord.
Sometimes you have to encourage yourself.
Gotta pat your own self on the back, yeah. You have to speak victory during your test, and no matter how you feel,
Speak the word, you will be healed. Speak over yourself,
yeah,
encourage yourself.
in the Lord, and no matter how you feel, speak the words and you will be healed. Speak over yourself, encourage yourself in the Lord.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Elaine.
Jasmine, I think that there's something brand new about you. I know that your wild card daddy, has almost breathed new life into you. I believe that you said that you encourage yourself. I also thought that unfortunately it started stronger than it finished. So I needed it to crescendo. I needed it to become more of a big deal as it went on. But good performance.
Vegas.
I liked it. I honestly liked it. I think you're true to yourself. I think the falsettos, when you took the falsettos, I wish you had just gone for it. Gospel is something you just go for it. You know, but try wall it back, you just go for it. Go for it, even if it crack, go for it. Yeah, man, because you can sing, just go for it, man. Just give the energy. Yeah, man.
Conroy.
I agree with Elaine that it started nicely and there's something fresh and renewed about you. The performance didn't build and grow, but it wasn't bad. It was okay, but I expected you to just give me more. Encourage yourself. Speak over yourself.
Wildcard Daddy.
Yeah, I don't listen to a lot of gospel music, but you didn't clobber us with Jesus. At the same time, what Vegas says was real for me. You showed the emotion. I did think at the end it sort of petered out, but generally a good performance.
All right, thanks, judges. Encourage Jasmine with your votes. Text the word vote to 444-5502 or call 444-5502. Thanks, ma'am. Nice dress.